I am here at Southbridge Owen Sound, the brand new, state-of-the-art Southbridge Owen Sound. Say hello, everybody.
Hello.
Oh, you're wonderful. What a nice place you have here. This is the greatest Christmas present of all. A brand new facility here in Owen Sound. One of several new facilities in the area. It's always a special privilege to play a first concert in a brand new place. And two facilities have merged into this new one. Used to be Georgian Heights and Mapleview. And between the two, I've played dozens of concerts. But this is my first concert here at Southbridge Owen Sound, and I always like to say, it's my first of many. So here's a little Christmas silliness to ring in the Christmas season here in your new place. Grandma got run over by a reindeer walking home from our house Christmas Eve. You can say there's no such thing as Santa. As for me and Grandpa, we believe. She'd been drinking too much eggnog, so we begged her not to go. But she forgot her medications, so she stumbled out the door into the snow. When they found her Christmas morning at the scene of the attack, there were hoof prints on her forehead and incriminating claws marks on her back. Grandma got run over by a reindeer walking home from our house Christmas Eve. You can say there's no such thing as Santa. As for me and Grandpa, we believe. We're all so proud of Grandpa. He's been taking it so well. See him there watching football, drinking beer and playing cards with Cousin Belle. But it's not Christmas without Grandma, and all the family's dressed in black. We just can't help but wonder, should we open up her gifts or send them back? Grandma got ran over by a reindeer walking home from our house Christmas Eve. You can say there's no such thing as Santa. As for me and Grandpa, we believe. The goose is on the table and the pudding made of fig. The blue and silver candles that would have matched the hair in Grandma's wig. I warned all my friends and neighbors, they should watch out for themselves. You should never give a license to a man who drives a sleigh and talks to elves. Grandma got run over by a reindeer walking home from our house Christmas Eve. You can say there's no such thing as Santa. As for me and Grandpa, we believe. Grandma got run over by a reindeer walking home from our house Christmas Eve. You can say there's no such thing as Santa. As for me and Grandpa, we believe. Christmas silliness here at Southbridge Owen Sound. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Same to you.
Watch where I'm going.